we're putting the focus first on the hearing in Vinesh's case before the Court of Arbitration for Sport. The hearing is underway, and we here at India Today have exclusive details of the arguments being made right now by the IOA. We're getting to know that the big argument being made by the counsel representing the Indian Olympic Association is that Vinesh Phogat did not commit any fraud and that it is an athlete's fundamental right to look after her body. The counsel is also going to argue that Vinesh's body weight was under the prescribed limit on day one of the competition when she fought in the quarterfinals and the semis, and weight gain happened only because of recovery, and that by no means is fraud. This essentially is a fundamental right to replenish her body with nutrients needed to allow her body to recover. So this is essentially the argument being put forth by Vinesh's team. As first broken by India Today, former Solicitor General of India and King's Counsel Harish Salve is appearing for the Indian Olympic Association tomorrow before the court. Besides Salve, 4 lawyers from the Paris bar will also be present for that hearing. And for more details, I want to bring in our consulting editor, Nikhil Naz, joining us live from Paris. Nikhil, take us through really what you've picked up on the hearing in the Court of Arbitration. You've given us details really of, in fact, the argument that Vinesh's team will put forth. It's over to you for all the updates.
Thanks a lot for that, Akshita. Yes, we're coming to you live from Paris. This is where the hearing has just begun in the Vinesh Phogat case. For those of you who are catching our program a bit late, just a reminder that there are going to be 4 lawyers, 4 French lawyers that are going to be fighting or representing Vinesh Phogat pro bono. And the Indian Olympic Association has also requested for 2 amicus curiae to be present there. And those are going to be Harish Salve, top lawyer from India, as well as Vidushpat Singhania, who is a sports law expert. The deliberations will go on. We've given you the arguments that will be made from the Indian side. The argument that they are taking, and just to sum it up in one line, is that this was her fundamental right to recover from those 3 bouts that she contested, and in exercising those fundamental rights, she ended up, gaining 100 or 200 grams or so, and that should be allowed and silver be given to her. So that is the argument that they will present. We don't know what the court's view is going to be, but whatever the decision, if it is indeed ruled in Vinesh's Phogat, what we can tell you that it's going to have repercussions on the sport of wrestling per se, where they'll have to look forward or try and amend those rules going forward, because if Vinesh is given that leeway, there'll be wrestlers going forward that will ask for similar leeways in the future. That's a story that we'll keep following, keep bringing you the latest updates from Paris.